Two satellites of mass m1 and m2, where m1 is greater than m2, are going around the earth in an orbit of radius r1 and r2, where r1 is greater than r2. Which statement about their velocity is correct? So we know the relation between their orbital velocity and radius. Orbital velocity is not depends upon mass, so no need to consider the masses over here. Masses over here is given as different, but it will not make any difference to orbital velocity. The equation for orbital velocity is root of gm by r, so or r of orbital radius. So it is over here, this m is not the mass of satellite, it is a mass of planet, so it's not depends upon mass of satellite, and it is inversely proportional to root of r. So over here it is given that r1 is greater than r2, so if r is more, then v will be less. So we can say that as r1 is greater than r2, we can say that v1 is less than that of v2.